This is for Year 11 methods. It comes out of 2H. Question number 9. John and Michael race over 50 metres. So here is my length of my race, which is a 50 metre length of race. Therefore, the distance that Michael runs is 50, and the distance that John runs is also equal to 50 because they both run along that race for 50 metres. John runs so that it takes A seconds to run 1 metre. So the speed that John runs at is 1 metre per A seconds, because he runs 1 metre in A seconds. So the speed of John is equal to 1 on A metres per second. And the speed of Michael, it takes B seconds to run 1 metre. So that's 1 metre in B seconds. So the speed of Michael is 1 on B metres per second. Michael wins the race by 1 second. The time that Michael takes to run the race isn't equal to the time of John, because Michael beat him by 1 second, so therefore Michael was smaller in time, therefore I need to minus 1 from John's time, because John was slower by 1 second. Okay, I know that speed equals distance over time, so time is equal to distance over speed. Therefore, time of Michael will be distance of Michael over speed of Michael, which is 50 over 1 on B, which is 50B. And the time of John will be the distance of John divided by the speed of John, which is 50 over 1 on A, which is 50A. And there is equation number 1 in my simultaneous equations to work out A and B. The next day, they race over 50 metres, but Michael gives John a 3 metre start. So, Michael races over 50, but John races over 47. And Michael wins the race by 0.1. So on day 2, the time of Michael will equal the time of John minus 1/10. The time of Michael doesn't change because he still races over 50 metres, so that will be 50B. But the time of John will now be 47 over 1 on A, so 47A minus 1/10. Okay, to solve these two simultaneous equations, I have equation 1, and I've also got, if I can get my pen working, equation 2. Since 50B equals the right hand side and 50B equals the right hand side, I can set those equal to each other. So 50A minus 1 equals 40. So 50A minus 47A equals negative 10 on 10, negative 1 on 10 plus 10 on 10. 3A equals 9 on 10, divide by 3, A equals 3/10. Find the value of A equals 3/10. Find the value of B. Well, I know that 50B equals 50 times A, which is 3 on 10, minus 1. 50B equals 5 times 3 is 15 minus 1. B equals 14 on 50, or 7 on 25. So that's the value of B. And what is Michael's speed? Michael's speed is 1 on B. So the speed of Michael is 1 on B, which is 1 on 7 on 25, which is 25 on 7 metres per second. And they're my 3 answers.